We started digital instruments and control systems in Bangalore in the year 1996. And we have been associated with Prophase since 2006. After about 4-5 years of experience in Bangalore in different industries, we expanded geographically. New factories are coming up with latest technologies which can lead to a smart factory concept and energy efficient solutions. Modern industries are data driven so that floor and central rooms are connected seamlessly. Challenges of modern industry solution providers. In today's fast-paced industrial landscape, solution providers are facing numerous challenges. That is multi-vendor product connectivity, integrating products from various vendors to ensure seamless communication and efficient operations, minimizing industry costs while maintaining adequate stock levels to meet customer demands, reducing downtime to ensure maximum productivity and efficiency. Tailored solutions, providing customized solutions to cater to diverse industry needs and expectations.
We have PS6000 series, flat panel, and we have many software, BOS, then Blue Open Studio, then Blue and WinGP as a GP Pro is runtime. We have many solutions as a basket to give it to the customer. As Prophase has come up with the latest version of PS6000 series, we have many range of offers. It starts from Atom processor to i3, i7, i5. There are plenty of ranges are available, which is ranges from 10 inch to 19 inch and much more now, which is 22 inch also, which is available. And we have more offers like panel PCs and box PCs also it's available. With box PCs, we go with flat panel, and the panel PCs will go as a standard with PS6000 series. As a Prophase, we are offering the bundle solution. We are integrating with our PS6000 series and our software as an integrated package what we are supplying to the customer and supporting to the customer with technically. That is an added advantage to the customer. We are having edge over the competition. PS6000 series IPC can be provided in all the industrial segments where data integration is required in the factory with the L3 layer, and it helps the management to take the right decision. And we are heading towards the process automation. Then we are into machine tool, then automotive, then pharma. In pharma, we are integrating with majorly 21 CFR application, which is very much helpful to us penetrate and do good in that pharma industry. PS6000 series IPC has opened up a door for smart factory application and has given entry for new segments like pharma, power, automotive, machine tool, where customers are looking for one-stop solution and integration with third-party system as well. Enhanced flexibility and scalability and improved compatibility with drivers and equipments, optimize performance and efficiency.